Meaning of foundation.
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 Foundation. Foundation can refer to the basis or groundwork upon which something is built or established. It can also refer to an organization that provides funding for a particular cause or research. The concept of foundation implies a solid and stable starting point that supports growth and development. A strong foundation can lead to long-term success and stability, while a weak foundation can lead to instability and failure. Whether referring to a physical structure or an organization, a solid foundation is essential for achieving positive results and progress towards one's goals.